quick one for Marcus Brackley. Marcus. These are the 2 Delmonte ones I've got. Keep in these pouches. That pouch. This one. Has the pliers on it. Okay. The knife locks, blade locks, you push that in. You open and set. Corkscrew, little scale tools. It's one with the pliers. And then the one with the scissors, what I showed you the other day, and that little on there. Scissors, saw, knife and openers. So they get kept in that little, generally get kept in there. I've showed you the Workchamp, so that's what classes be big 3 if you like. Right. Excelsior markers. Very good little knife in my opinion. To be honest with you, I've used mine for skinning stuff, gutting out fish and that. You know what I mean? You can get in, there's no scare tools so you can wash it out. Just on the Workchamp. Mini champs, but to be honest, I'm finding the role for these. But mini champs, that's me big 3. Just somebody said that they hadn't seen these ones from the Delmonte range.